The Tale of Prince Kale, the Adventurous Prince of Lumora. Once upon a time, in the radiant kingdom of Lumora, where the skies shimmered with hues of gold and lavender, there lived a bold and adventurous prince named Kale. The youngest of 3 siblings, Kale had a heart that craved the thrill of exploration and the mystery of the unknown. While his elder brothers were content with courtly duties, Kale spent his days mapping the uncharted corners of the magical realm. The kingdom of Lumora was no ordinary land. It was brimming with enchanted forests, floating islands, and hidden portals that led to otherworldly dimensions. Legends whispered of ancient relics and powerful artifacts that lay buried within these mystical places. While most feared the dangers that lurked in the shadows, Kale saw them as challenges waiting to be conquered. The call to adventure. One fateful morning, as the sun rose over the gleaming crystal spire, Kale received a mysterious message delivered by a talking hawk named Zephyr. The bird spoke of a lost artifact known as the Eterna Gem, said to grant its wielder the power to protect the kingdom from any evil. However, the gem was hidden deep within the Evermaze Woods, a place where time twisted, paths shifted, and no one had ever returned from. Without hesitation, Kale packed his satchel with essentials: a map enchanted to reveal hidden trails, a sword imbued with light magic, and a locket bearing his late mother's portrait, for courage. Zephyr agreed to guide him, and together they set off at dawn. Trials in the Evermaze Woods. As Kale entered the Evermaze Woods, he immediately felt the magic at play. Trees whispered secrets, vines shifted to block paths, and shadows danced like specters. The first challenge came in the form of a mischievous forest spirit named Lyric, who guarded the entrance to the deeper woods. Lyric appeared as a shimmering figure with fox-like features and demanded a riddle to proceed. "I am not alive, yet I grow. I have no lungs, yet I need air. What am I?" Kale pondered for a moment before confidently replying, "Fire." Impressed by his wit, Lyric granted him passage but warned of greater trials ahead. The Guardian of Shadows. Deeper into the woods, Kale encountered the Guardian of Shadows, a colossal panther, with eyes that glowed like molten gold. The Guardian tested Kale's bravery, creating illusions of his worst fears: losing his family, failing his kingdom, and being lost forever. Drawing strength from the locket around his neck, Kale faced each illusion with unwavering determination. "My fears do not define me," he declared, and the illusions shattered. The panther, acknowledging his courage, allowed him to pass and whispered the final riddle: "Only with a pure heart will the Eterna Gem reveal itself."